Greetings to everyone. My name is Gangadhar. I am pursuing third year in Culinary Academy of India. Today my team, I am working with chocolate. My theme is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day also called Saint Valentine's Day. The feast of Saint Valentine is celebrated on February 14th. On February 14th, time to celebrate love and kissy face, and many people exchange candies, greetings on that day. And we call Valentine's Day is named for a Christian martyr. And also story behind a Valentine's Day is that teaches a lot of about love and affection. The true meaning of Valentine's Day is there is only one happiness in life, to love and be loved. Okay, I am coming with a new idea with chocolate theme. My theme setup is name is with a chocolate base, totally chocolate, white chocolate. On top of this, in the center I am keeping milk chocolate block. On top of this I am keeping the white chocolate. The sphere will come on top. And now I am going to explain about my showpieces. Showpiece of this is a white chocolate base, and this is the milk chocolate block. I am going to fix this in middle. On top of this I am keeping the white chocolate cube, and these are the main theme of my showpiece, and I am keeping the randomly on showpiece. And okay, this is the strawberry jelly is going mixture with some sugar, fresh thyme, and some water and agar, and boil, bring one boil. And pour on a tray. After freezing the jelly, cut with the heart shape mold. And place it on the side. And these are the heart shaped jelly. I am going to place it on the gateau.
gateau is rose dusted white chocolate mousse with fresh lime and strawberry jelly. And on top of this, I kept the white chocolate rack for garnish, and small red color heart shape. In gateau, I kept a small jelly heart shapes. When you cut it, the jelly will no, zoom. అని నేనే చెప్పుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. It's visible the small heart. On top of this, I kept a red hearted and off arrow.